Top 10 ceratopsians that sound like insult. Number 10. Tatankaceratops. Bison horn face. Bonus insult. Scientific name sounds like a car breaking down. Tatankaceratops. Number 9. Graciloceratops. Thin horn face. You call that a horn? Thin skin too. Number 8. Vegaceratops. Wandering horned face. You better shape up or you'll end up like Vegaceratops, living in a van down by the Cretaceous swamp. 7. Ceratopsians. Lesser horned face. Like not even one of the more well-known horned faces. Number 6. My Ceratopsians. Bent sword horned face. Bent your sword into a plowshare a little early, didn't ya? Number 5. Ceratopsians. Lake horned face. You know what your face reminds me of? A lake. Like a whole lake. Whatever that means. Number 4. Lama Lama horned face. Lama horned face, alpaca came and took your place. Number 3. Ischioceratops. Hip-boned horned face. A thistle, a thorn, a hip bone for a horn. Number 2. Ceratopsians. Large-nosed horned face. Large-nosed horned face, bird hip, cycad eater. And before we get to number 1, some honorable mentions. We have Cosmoceratops. That's ornamented horned face. Well, you can put lipstick on a ceratopsian. There's Medusaceratops. Medusa horned face, with a face only a gorgon could love. And Unescoceratops. UNESCO horned face. We couldn't be bothered to give you a real name. Here's an acronym instead. And the number 1 name for a ceratopsian that sounds like an insult. Aqualops. Eagle face. I don't know why I find this name so funny, but I do. Eagle face. Why don't you go hang out with the avian dinosaurs, eagle face? Yeah. What do we call your father behind your back? Bald eagle face. Okay. I'm done insulting ceratopsians. Have a great day.